How to verify Wise account. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. If you'd like to verify your Wise account properly, then this is the video you need to watch. So once you have a Wise account, you go through the process of entering all your details, including a two-step verification. And this is now your homepage. So if you go up to the top right hand side of the screen, you will find a drop down menu with your profile picture, and then you will see the settings tab. Now once you go in the settings tab, you will see that there are a few options. The first option being the email settings. So it says here your email is pending verification. Please check your email to confirm it. So if you haven't yet received it, you can go ahead and tap send email verification, or you can change your email address. I've gone ahead and I've opened up my email account, and over here it says confirm your email. Now once you tap on that, your email here will say verified. Once you have verified your email, you can go ahead and we are going to go back to our homepage, and over here you will see that there is accounts over here. So now you will have to create an account. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap this open button over here, and over here basically you will have to create a currency. So we're going to go ahead and say get started, and you're going to have to fill in all your details in over here. That will basically allow you to create a balance or a currency, whereas you can send and receive money. Then you're going to go ahead to the left hand side, and there's a recipients tab, and you're going to tap on that. Now right over here you'll have to add a recipient, so you can either use the top button on the right hand side, or you can use the bottom button on the green, or you can go ahead and type in the name or the Wise tag, email or phone number of the person that you would like to create as a recipient. Once you tap one of those add recipient buttons, you have the option either to add yourself as a recipient, someone else, or a business or charity. You're going to go ahead, you can tap on yourself, and here you're going to use the currency of your choice. And once you've done that, you're going to enter in some of the other details, such as the full name of the account holder, which in this case will be your own name. And then if you have a look over here, you'll put in your IBAN number, and then you're going to tap on confirm, and then you will also have a recipient here. You will have what they call a balance or a currency, and then your email being verified will all mean that your entire Wise account is fully verified. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.